Good morning. Today we're leaving very early. It's 7 a.m. and we were supposed to be ready like in 15 minutes because my parents are picking up the car and they would call us that we'd be ready in 15 minutes, but we fell asleep again. So they just called us and now we have 15 minutes to get ready, and I look so tired and I don't know what to wear because this shirt I've been wearing for like 2 days already, I think. But there's not much left to wear, so that sucks. And now we have to do like our makeup still, and I only got dressed and I have to do everything else, but we have to leave very early, so that kind of sucks. We are now on our way to the Grand Canyon, and we drove for like an hour and we still have 5 hours or so to go. And this is the car that we'll have for the rest of our holiday. What? It's pretty damn amazing. So yeah, and we just got some sandwiches and now we're going to go further. It's gonna be a long drive, but it's gonna be cool. I'm really excited for today because we're going with the helicopter through the Grand Canyon, so that's really awesome. We're here now, but we have to wait whether the helicopter is going to fly or not, because it's very cloudy outside. We're really hoping that it's going to fly. We got a little bit of positive news just a few minutes ago that probably start flying at 3. And now I'm outside because I want to be active, because otherwise I'm gonna get tired. So we're gonna play a little bit of soccer, because we have to wait another half an hour before we can even check in. So we've now checked in and we're waiting for our bus to the helicopter. And are you excited?
Of course.
So yeah, it's pretty exciting. That was so sick. We saw like half of the north side, I think, the Grand Canyon, and it was so cool. I can't hear myself anymore. That was so cool. We're now at the hotel and it looks so cool. If you can see behind me, it looks so nice. I keep saying so over and over again. Oh, this looks nice. See this behind me. We checked into the hotel and we heard that our room was upgraded. So this is our room. I'm gonna show you guys. It looks so big. Basically when you come in, there's a huge couch with like a fridge and everything. And then we have the bathroom, which looks very nice.
Davey, don't forget the view at the back.
Oh, we have an amazing view, but there's the 2 beds, and then the view is really amazing. It looks like, I don't know, focus. This is, yeah, a trunk yard. They're all cars, old cars. It looks pretty good. We just had dinner and now we're going for an evening swim, and afterwards we're just gonna go to sleep, I think. So I guess it's the end of today, and tomorrow we're leaving to at least a wave. I don't know where.
Las Vegas.
And in the evening we're going to Las Vegas.